You wake up in the morning, before you even get out of bed, before you drink water, before you even think, your hand reaches for your phone. Sound familiar? You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, and then I'll get up, brush my teeth, start my day. But those 5 minutes turn into 30. 30 turns into an hour. And suddenly, half your morning is gone. This isn't laziness. This isn't weakness. There is a war happening inside your brain every single time you pick up that phone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to win. Part 1. The science. Here's what's actually happening. Every time you open Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. It makes you feel pleasure, excitement, and satisfaction. The problem is, your phone is designed to give you dopamine hits every 3 seconds. A new video, a new like, a new notification. Each one is a tiny reward, and your brain gets addicted. Just like a slot machine in a casino, you keep pulling the lever hoping for the next reward. And the worst part? The apps know this. They are built by teams of the smartest engineers in the world, whose only job is to keep you scrolling as long as possible. You are not fighting an app. You are fighting a billion-dollar machine designed to steal your attention. Part 2. The real damage. Now, let's talk about what this is actually doing to you. Every hour you spend scrolling is an hour stolen from your goals, your dreams, your relationships. You're not relaxing. You're draining yourself without even realizing it. Studies show that people who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media are significantly more likely to feel anxious, depressed, and lonely. Think about that. The thing you're using to escape your problems is actually creating new ones. And your focus, your ability to concentrate, is shrinking every single day. When you sit down to study or work, your brain gets bored in 30 seconds and screams for your phone. Part 3. The solution. But here's the good news. Your brain is not broken. It is not permanent. You can rewire it, and it doesn't take months. It takes small, daily decisions. Here are 3 things that actually work. Number 1, delete the apps from your home screen. Not forever, just move them. Because most of your scrolling happens out of habit, not desire. When the app is not one tap away, you scroll 40% less. That's it. Just move the icon. Number 2, create a no-phone zone. The first 30 minutes after waking up and the last 30 minutes before sleeping, no phone. These 2 windows are when your brain is most vulnerable to addiction loops. Protect them. Use that time to breathe, think, or just exist. Number 3, replace the scroll with something physical. Every time you feel the urge to pick up your phone, do 5 push-ups, drink a glass of water, or write 1 sentence in a journal. You are training your brain to seek real rewards instead of fake digital ones. Look, I'm not saying delete your phone. I'm not saying social media is evil. I'm saying your time is the most valuable thing you own. Every minute you spend mindlessly scrolling is a minute you're giving away for free to a company that doesn't care about you. The version of you that wakes up without reaching for the phone, the version that finishes their work, the version that reads, creates, builds. That version is still inside you. It's just buried under 1,000 notifications. It's time to dig it out. If this video hit you, share it with one person who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more videos like this every week. And comment below, how many hours a day do you think you spend on your phone? Be honest. I'll see you in the next one.